Wish you all a happy new year 2021. We are all warriors of 2020. So let's celebrate the victory over 2020. And I wish you the best of everything. Thank you for being a great support. So in this new year, rewind, refresh and rebuild your life. Every day is new to us. Every day is a new beginning for the rest of your life. Start something new today, which you were waiting to start from many days. Have some personal space. Improve yourself day by day. Take care of every step that you take and watch your steps too. Be an example for your children and people around you. Dedicate some time to spend with yourself instead of spending with the phone. This is the compulsory resolution everyone must take. I hope you will take too. Wish you all the best and wishing you a happy and prosperous new year once again. Do tell me the kind of videos you expect from our channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.